Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time jumpers in CRK. Time jumpers are incredibly useful items that instantly complete ongoing production tasks in your kingdom. This means you can quickly finish crafting items, baking treats, or upgrading buildings without waiting. They are a fantastic way to accelerate your progress and get ahead in the game, especially when you're short on time. Let's dive into the best ways to utilize them effectively. The key to using time jumpers efficiently is timing. Focus on your production buildings that have the longest completion times, such as the smithy or the jelly bean farm. Using a time jumper on a task that takes several hours will yield much greater value than using it on a 2-minute task. Also, consider using them when you need specific items for urgent quests or limited-time events to maximize your rewards. For advanced play, try combining time jumpers with temporary production buffs from landmarks or specific cookies. This can further reduce overall production time, letting you craft even more. They are also excellent for clearing up your production slots when you need to start new tasks immediately. Imagine using a time jumper to finish a long production just before you go to sleep, then starting another long one to collect in the morning. Remember to regularly check your inventory for any time jumpers you've accumulated from events or daily rewards. While they are powerful, it's wise to balance their use with your natural production flow to ensure sustained growth without running out. They are a valuable resource, so use them wisely to push your kingdom forward. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.